Okay, don't any waste time. Let's come to the topic. So the roadmap, all you need. What is exactly all about? It's like the basic fundamental, like basic, what you need to earn if you don't know how to start any type of work, but you want to earn. So this is for you. How you can start a simple earn money. So freelancing is a very vast. I cannot explain the whole. It's just like if you have a time and a skills, people pay for that skill, particular skill. So in this video, I'll mostly talking about the three main skill: video editing, graphic designing, and social media management. So in here, you will not like go deeper into those topics. We will also cover the basic fundamental how you can start. Okay, without wasting any time, let's start how it is all about. So in first, you can see what is if you are stuck with earning and you can earn, how you can earn those things. I make a level 0 to 4. The 5 level is upcoming because where you will exactly learn the particular thing about the video editing, or it can be graphic design or social media editing. It is coming soon. I will be uploading details, but for the level 4 you will only get it the basics of the fundamentals in freelancing, video editing, graphic designing, and social media management. So the level 1, where you can see what skill should I learn, where do I start. The skill, you are very confused about the skill. What skills do I have? What, I don't have any skill. It's like skills means a particular thing which have interest. For my topic, I am very curious about designing, so I choose designing and video editing. And because I have a mix of those, so I go to social media management too. But if you have nothing knowledge, you have the skills to observe. So in first, I just simply say, do not overthink, do not stress about it. You are already here, and that is your first win. Most people never even talk that first step, but you did. So take a breath, relax, and just move ahead with a clear. So I was saying that you already start your journey, so don't be panic. You already take your step. Now you go to this level 1. Wait, you go to the level 1 where you see your options, what the exactly options you have. So you have lots of options. For my side, the easiest to learn and earn money is video editing, graphic designing, and social media. It is not easy, but it is like most simple way to learn and earn from this, because I did it, so I think you can also did that. First, I explain video editing. Go for video editing, I will love to talk about graphic designing. So how it start? So basically, I'm an artist, not like the call artist, because I love to do for artworks and all those kind of things. So I am an artist. I can call my artist because I love to create anything in everywhere, like art in sneakers, jacket, vase. You can background, you can see if this is a Luffy, I guess Luffy and Kaido, if you can see this. So I'm a very creative person, so I loved graphic designing. Okay, so in graphic designing, this has, like, I am simply saying this is a 3 step. You can think about like 3 levels of graphic designing. The simple graphic designing are those where you can usually see on some like templates, or the thumbnails of someone's, the simple basic thumbnails. Okay, not the very much feeling about the simple thumbnails for a social media. Who has a personal branding, he has a thumbnail. So the thumbnail part is a simple editing. Second, if you go some level up, you can do some stuff like creative, like from your design you are telling a story, so that thing is come level 2. Then the extreme level where you deliver a story from your creativity, from your uniqueness. So that level was the most level where you get paid most. From the first level you paid up to 5,000 to 1,000, then up to go to 30,000 to 50,000, then it come to 1 lakh to 2 lakh or whatever it is. So how you can start? You can start of doing the thumbnail part, YouTube thumbnail, Instagram thumbnail, or some kind of menu or whatever it is, like the simple one you can understand. So you can create things like thumbnail, poster, whatever, social media post templates. So that's it. You can easily do. You can use Canva for free, or if you have the tools, you can also use those other tools. Then if you know this thing, you can work on your up level skill qualities while understanding the typography, color grading, and all those things. So this is the design field where you can do those things. Now let's come to video editing. uh, with same video editing also have three levels, like the simple edits, the moderate edit, and the extreme complex edit, sorry. So in simple edit, you can take someone personal brand who is doing their brand. They are giving only their making their camera on like this and saying, so you can clip those things, add some captions and make the visual good. So that's a simple edit you can do and start. If you go up level, you can do the motions graphic thing. You can do creativity. You are engaging with the video. So that's kind of thing you can do. And next is the high level. You already seeing on the ads and ads, the VFX and all those things are complex. So for the starting, you can start with this. So I right here. This is where most people you learn being cut, streaming, adding clips, scenes, music, and adjusting color and font. Those are simple and yet powerful skills that help you to edit social media videos, reels, blogs, and short contents. So that's simple thing you can learn. So now you have know the video editing and graphic designing. So now you can start. I suggest you should start from graphic designing, because when you know the color gradings in all, you can easily come to the video editing part. If you have little bit of confidence about the designing and video editing, you can directly come to the social media management. So in this social media management, you need to learn the content creation, the hook. You can easily get knowledge through scrolling. You know why we see some reels, why some reels get biased. It's not about the pony superstar kind of thing. There are some genuine contents that go viral, right? You have to understand them. You have to understand the script writing, how they are doing. If you know the knowledge, right, you can directly sell to someone. You need to be confident about your speak, how you are talking, the communications you need to build in social media management. The basic thing. In the social media management, you can add on those video editing, graphic designing, and all. I will not go social media deeper. It's just a basic thing. I am not an expert in it, so I just give you a glimpse of it. Now we will come to second level. Second level, observe is your superpower. The main thing I am telling from back, that observation is the most important thing. If you know how to observe a particular thing, so let's suppose this is me. So what are you thinking? Is there what's are going on in this frame? You can see there is a background light. You can see there is a cartoon. You can see me who is seeing you. So if you are seeing a particular graphics, you don't look the whole. It is kind of good. It's have so much of animations, designs, colors. No, you have to think like, oh, why he choose the green? Because he is delivering some organic or some kind of thing. Or if some designs are very boring or all, like, think why it is looks so weird. You need to solve those problems. So that's come the main thing. It's not about the designing. You can also add it in your videos too. Some reels are like suck. You understand why those reels are suck. The observation loop. The observation loop used every day. Noticed, name, arcs, break, brown, apply. You can also easily read those things. You know what's notice is right. Watching, seeing, and just the past. So this is the observation you need. Now, what to look? Yes, what to look? The hook. What is the first line they use in the reel? Then second, pitching, how they are pitching their clips. Caption, what's the caption style is all about. Framing, sounds, transition, call to action, how all those things are. There are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 1 minute reel, there are 7 different strategies. You need to understand that. Let's what to look for designing and posters and thumbnail. Your typography, color grading, layout, imagination, stories, and call to action. Exactly same with the design, with the video editing. I already tell you that if you know graphic designing, you can easily go to the video editing tool. I suggest to do graphic designing first because I also did, and it is like simple and less time consuming than video editing. So there are lots of, you can read those things. I love to directly go to the level 3. Now level 3, learning tools and master in depth. So if you choose graphic designing or video editing, there are some free tools you can use. So I already mentioned here some tools that you can use. I want to suggest that if you already know what to choose now, because I already told what is graphic designing and video editing, the basics of it. If you want to learn how graphic designing, how can I start the graphic design, just comment graphic designing and drop another video about graphic designing. Or if you want to learn the video editing basics of it, to just drop at video editing, I will teach you that too. So that the thing I explained in this 3 levels. The 4th level is exactly for being from beginner to professional building. So these are the main thing how you can do those things. But for now, I love you to do. I think now you already choose what to do. So I hope from this video you learn something. That's for all. Thank you for watching. Bye.